Welcome to Fantaskool tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to efficiently import multiple students into your school management system using our bulk import feature. This powerful tool allows administrators to add entire classes of students quickly and accurately. Step 1. Administrator login. First, log into your Fantaskool administrator account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Step 2. Accessing student management. From your dashboard, locate and click on the Students button. This will take you to the Student Management section where you can view and manage all student records. Step 3. Initiating bulk import. To import multiple students at once, click on Bulk Actions. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. Select Import Students from this menu. Step 4. Setting import parameters. A new interface will open where you need to specify the import details. Select the appropriate academic year, section, and class for the students you're importing. This ensures students are properly categorized in your system. Step 5. Preparing your data. Before uploading your file, ensure your Excel spreadsheet contains all required student information, including full name, registration number and gender as required fields, then address, date of birth, place of birth, mother's name, father's name, guardian contact, guardian address, nationality, unique identification number, and admission date as optional fields. Pro tip: to avoid errors and ensure proper formatting, we recommend downloading our sample Excel template first. This template shows you exactly how to structure your data for successful import. Step 6. File upload. Now you can either browse for your Excel file or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. The system accepts properly formatted Excel files containing your student data. Step 7. Completing the import. Once your file is selected, click the Import button. The system will process your data. This may take a few moments depending on the number of students. You'll see a successfully imported message when the process is complete. And that's it! You've successfully imported multiple students into Fantaskool. This bulk import feature saves significant time compared to entering each student individually, making school administration more efficient.